Today is the day when I finally get to uncover our camp-let which was stored here during the winter time. So I will unpack it, open it, and check if it's ready for the new season. Over the winter, we had our camp-let covered with a plastic sheet to protect it from snow, wind, and other weather conditions. This also helps to prevent any possible leaks. Even though the trailer is usually sealed really well, it's always better to be safe than sorry, right? Plus, the outer layer of the trailer stays in much better condition this way. I tied everything down with cords just to make sure the wind wouldn't blow the cover off. There are actually special winter covers made just for the camp-let. These are designed to protect your trailer from dust and dirt during the cold season. We haven't bought one yet, but it's definitely a useful thing to have. The cover fits the trailer tent perfectly and gives it a great protection over the winter. You can check the link below to see the one available on the Isabella's webpage, or just ask your local trailer tent dealer if they sell it. Now let's unlock the trailer. Here are the keys. Always be a bit careful when opening the camp-let because the handle can break if you are not gentle, and replacing it is apparently quite expensive. That's why we always lock the handle back into place right after opening it, especially when using the kitchen, just to avoid it popping open on its own. So here is the inside of the camp-let when it's all folded up. Everything looks great, no mold, no strange smell, perfect. Let's move on and check the storage box at the front. Okay, first we need to find the right key. Yes, everything here looks fine too. Again, no smell, no signs of moisture or mold. Now let's check out our kitchen. To open the kitchen, we first need to set up the legs underneath. Be extra careful here. If the kitchen is full of things, the hinges could get damaged from all the weight. So we unfold the legs and adjust them to make sure the kitchen is standing level. That's super important, otherwise cooking becomes a bit tricky. The last step, opening the mesh cover. It's held by two clips on each side. And voila! The first drawer, the second drawer. Again, no smell, no mold. Love it! As we see, everything inside of the camp-let looks good, so we are ready for the new camping season. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!